Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can uninstall an update from your Windows or how you can uninstall Windows Update. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and you have to click on the settings icon. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can always search for that in the Windows search bar. Simply type settings. Click on it under the best match. And here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for apps. You'll find advanced app settings. And here you'll find related settings and install updates. And you will find all the updates from your Windows. So in my case, I have only one available update found. Now how we can uninstall that? Simply click on the uninstall button. Click on uninstall. And you just need to wait for that to be uninstalled from your Windows. This is currently uninstalling. Uninstalled, restart required. So you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Another method on how we can uninstall this is you need to click on Windows Update. And here you will find Update History. Scroll down and you will find Uninstall Updates. And the same thing, so we have just uninstalled the update. That's why it states in here no updates found. So after you have uninstalled an update, you have to restart your Windows to fully uninstall the update from your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.